Have you ever been frustrated with blunt knives in the kitchen? Let us introduce the P600 Ultra Sharp Ceramic Chef's Knife. Watch it slice an overripe tomato so thin you can almost see through it. The P600 ceramic blade is razor sharp. It will dice vegetables like a hot knife through butter. Even tough vegetables like butternut squash are no match at all. It makes slicing meat an absolute breeze. Want to see something cool? Our Chef's Foundry P600 Ceramic Chef's Knife is so sharp, it will slice a tomato sideways with no hands. That's right, it's so sharp there's no drag when you slice a tomato sideways. It'll even slice right through a piece of paper like a razor blade. Go try that with your regular knife. Imagine doing your cooking in half the time because you have the sharpest knife known to man. The secret is the Zirconium Ceramic blade, which is 10 times harder and sharper than steel. In fact, diamonds are the only thing known to man that are harder. Now normally you'd pay anywhere up to $300 or more for a chef-grade knife like this, and our regular price is $276. But as of today, and for a limited time only, we're offering a special launch discount of 75% off. That's just $69 for a knife that normally retails for $276. Plus, there's more. For a very limited time, when you buy one 8-inch P600 chef's knife, we'll give you one 6-inch utility chef's knife for free. It's the perfect razor-sharp utility knife for all purposes. It'll make your everyday cooking an absolute breeze. But wait, we're not done yet. Order today and we'll also throw in a free 4-inch paring knife for those finer jobs. That's right, for the low price of just $69, you'll get a full set of professional-grade ceramic knives. We're so confident you're going to love our knives, we'll also throw in free shipping anywhere in the US to make it a complete no-brainer. Now, due to our insane P600 ceramic knife launch offer, we're not sure how long our stocks will last, so if you're ready to upgrade your kitchen, please fill out the form right now to avoid disappointment. Still not sure? Here's what some of our customers say about the P600 knives.
Oh my gosh. Okay, that was super easy and super quick.
And I've never seen a knife cut a tomato that smoothly before. That was insane. That was my first time cutting a tomato in this video. I just got shocked.
It's actually even sharper than my ultra expensive. See how I have to push on this one. This is an ultra expensive French knife.
Just cut them like butter.
To claim your razor-sharp P600 ceramic knives today, please fill out the form now. Remember, we're expecting to sell out anytime soon, so to avoid disappointment, please go ahead and fill out the form now.